Most real estate investors don't fail because they buy the wrong property. They fail because they buy in the wrong location. Property location is the single biggest factor that determines demand, rental income, and long-term appreciation. So instead of guessing, let's break down a structured, data-driven way to research any property location like a professional investor. 1. Start with macro trends. Big picture first. Before looking at a single house or apartment, you must analyze the broader region. You are asking, is the population growing or shrinking? Are jobs increasing or declining? Is the economy diversified or dependent on one industry? For example, in the United States, states like Texas and cities like Austin have attracted strong migration due to job growth and business-friendly policies. In contrast, some high-cost areas like San Francisco still have strong demand but slower population growth due to affordability pressure. Insight: a good location is always tied to jobs and migration, not just scenery or reputation. 2. Job market strength. Demand driver. Real estate demand is directly connected to employment. You should research major employers in the area, unemployment rate, industry diversity, tech, healthcare, manufacturing, etc. If a city depends on only one industry, it becomes risky. If it has multiple industries, it becomes stable and resilient. 3. Supply versus demand balance. This is where most beginners fail. Ask, are new homes being built too fast? Is inventory increasing or limited? Are rental units vacant or fully occupied? If supply is growing faster than demand, prices may stagnate or fall. If demand is higher than supply, prices and rent rise over time. 4. Rental market analysis. If your goal is investment, you must check rental data. Look for average rent prices, occupancy rates, tenant demand, students, professionals, families. Strong rental markets usually have universities, hospitals, business hubs, or tech centers. 5. Infrastructure and development plans. Future growth often depends on government and private investment. Check new highways, metro systems or airports, commercial developments, urban expansion zones. Areas with strong infrastructure development often experience long-term appreciation. 6. Neighborhood level research. After selecting a city, zoom in. Even in a good city, bad neighborhoods exist. Evaluate safety and crime rate, school quality, accessibility to markets, transport and hospitals, local amenities. Two properties in the same city can perform completely differently based on neighborhood quality. 7. Price to income ratio, affordability check. A key metric professionals use is affordability. If home prices are growing much faster than local income, the market may become overheated. Balanced markets tend to be more sustainable for long-term investment. Strategic insight. Here is the core mistake most investors make. They start by looking at property listings first. Smart investors do the opposite. They start with location data, then market trends, then property selection. Property location research is not about intuition. It is about structured analysis. The best locations are job-rich population, growing infrastructure supported, balanced in supply and demand. If you master location research, you don't just buy property, you position yourself ahead of market growth.